Hello there. So welcome to this tutorial in which I show you how you can trade over and under on the Deriv website. So if you are a beginner, click on the link in the description, create an account, and then you will land on Traders Hub. Just choose Deriv Trader, and then on your demo account, here is where you will need to choose the over and under. So this is the place, and then as you can see, this is the over and under. You can see the digits that will be predicting whether this arrow will hit the over. So the over, you just choose the one you need here. So let's say that I wanted to choose over 2. So I just choose 2, and then if I choose over 2, I'll get 4% profit. So I have just mistakenly clicked on it. I just wait for it to close. So here we have the number of ticks that you can choose. So I just go with mostly I go with the 3 ticks or 2, that one, so that if I have a slow connection, let's say that I have a slow connection, I'll be able to recover using these ticks. So mostly because of my Wi-Fi, I just use, it has a very high latency, so I just use 3 ticks, and here I can just look for the numbers I need. So there's something I look in these numbers. Let's say that we have 3 numbers with a low percentage. So if we have 3 numbers on the same side with the same percentage, so mostly I use 5. So I just choose 5 as my number, and then this is under 5. From 0 to 4 is under 5. From 6 to 9 is over 5. If I choose 4, then the opposite is true. So I just look for 3 numbers like this one. You can see we have 3 9s here, and then it has just changed. So what I say is that this arrow is more likely to hit this side more than this one if we have low percentages here. This is because these numbers balance. These percentages, as you will observe later, will balance. It can never go up to 5%. I have never seen that one. It will just stay between 9 and it will move back to 10 to 11, somewhere there. Even it can go to 12. So don't expect it to go beyond this one. It does not go beyond that one. So it means that it is more likely to hit the numbers with the lowest percentages. So you need to be predicting it to be hitting that side, the side with the lowest percentage. So when you're trading, make sure to predict it will hit that side. So as you can see, we have a side with the low percentage, but it also have this is somehow large, but you can just predict that side using 4. So I can say it will hit over. So I'm more likely to predict this side to be hit because of these low percentages. But if we compare it to these percentages, you can see this side is more hit. So what I need to do, just go to 5 and then I predict this side. So I wait it to hit these numbers and then I say under, that way. So I wait for it to come this side, and then you can see I won that contract. So you need to be using these percentages to predict which side this arrow will hit. That is all about over and under. And then as I said, you can also use bots to trade this over and under. The problem with bots is that you will never see this information, and this is the most information you need to be using to trade over and under. So mostly you don't need a bot here, but if you need bots, I have them. I can also link them in the description, so you can ask them there. So I have a lot of free bots that I have got from different platforms, so I can just link them in the description if you need them. But first you need to comment whether you need them or not. If you don't, I don't mind If I will connect them, I just leave them. So that is it for this over and under. If you don't have an account, create using the link in the description. So see you in the next video. If you have a question, leave it in the comment section. Thanks for watching.